Welcome to my home. Proverbs 24 verse 21 states that by wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you through my home as we tour for the spring season. It's not fully furnished. We are still in the process of furnishing our home. But I am so grateful for the beautiful treasures, the beautiful things that we have. I don't place my trust in these inanimate objects. I place my trust in God. But I am so grateful that I get to wake up every day in this life, that I get to wake up every day in our home. I try to make our home feel as cozy and as peaceful as much as possible with the chaos that is going on in the world, the craziness. I want to make sure that when we come home, when my family enters through this door, when my friends, when my guests enter through these doors, that they are entering into a warm and cozy and inviting space. I want my family to always remember what it feels like to come home. I want them to want to come home. And so I try to curate beautiful pieces, whether store-bought or thrifted. I try to curate these pieces together to make a marriage, so to speak, so that it will mesh and all the decor pieces, though different, will become one in our space. I am taking you through my foyer. I will be taking you through my family room. I will show you a little bit of our daycare space and our kitchen and dining room area. I hope that you enjoy this tour today, and I hope that you leave inspired to create a home that is your own, a home that is inviting, that is full of the things, the beautiful treasures that you love and that your family loves. Not a home that is filled with commercialized furniture and commercialized pieces that everyone else, can run out to the store and purchase, but just pieces that mean something to you, that are sentimental and that are of great value to you. I hope that you are inspired to create the home that you love and a home or a place that you never want to have a vacation from. That is your own oasis. It's your own vacation destination. And it's your home that is filled with your family, your love, your happiness, your joy, and beautiful treasures. Remember that unless the Lord builds a house, he that builds it labors in vain. I hope that you enjoyed this spring house tour today. I hope that you are leaving inspired and that you are leaving feeling a sense of calm and peace. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.